Check out this beautiful Putzmeister TK50. This is a beast of a pump. This machine can do shotcrete, can do anything you want. I mean, really. It does 50 cubic yards an hour. 2006 Putzmeister TK50, serial number 1024. This is an as-is condition. We're going to be delivering this machine completely refurbished. We'll start off with the front here. We're gonna be placing the correct plate so it holds the jack here. We're gonna be replacing this for the right, which is a pintle eye. We'll put the chains on it. We'll go ahead and do the connection for the 7-spade wiring harness. We're gonna be doing the engine. This is a 2012. Look at this monster of an engine. 2012 Deutz. It'll be completely serviced. We already compression tested the engine and pressure tested. Look at this monster of a hydraulic pump. This thing is huge. So the hydraulic pump is already tested. Everything is good. There's nothing wrong with that, but we're gonna be doing running the rack and adjusting the valves on this engine. We're gonna be doing the regular PM maintenance on it. We're gonna be then going into the proximity switches, whatever that needs to be changed electronically, we'll do. All the switchover valves and stuff like that, those are gonna be redone. We're gonna be doing the piston cups on this baby. We're gonna be doing the side gauge, the temperature gauge, the throttle cable, the accumulator pressure gauge, the main pump pressure gauge. And then, of course, all the lights and everything that has to do with that control panel. It needs to look gorgeous and it needs to work perfectly. Also, we're gonna be replacing this. Ball wind filter. We put a Putzmeister original with that little side gauge restriction gauge. We'll replace the hydraulic oil. We'll replace the tires. We'll replace the brakes. We'll replace the bearings on the axle. We'll take a look at these fenders. If they're too messed up, we'll replace them for other ones. And the machine will be delivered lightly painted. We're not gonna be doing car paint or anything like that. It'll be just lightly painted, and we're gonna be doing all new stickers. I'll show you a sample of what it looks like. We're gonna be putting the brand new lights, brand new bearings on everything. Whatever needs to be done back here on the hopper to make sure that she works perfectly, we'll do. The agitator, you see this agitator motor? This is a swing agitator motor. Somebody put a swing agitator motor on this thing. So of course we're gonna be removing this thing out of here. We'll put the right one on, and it should look absolutely stunning when you see it. You won't even recognize it. Let me show you an example of what it's supposed to look like, of the kind of product that we'll deliver at the end. So this is more like the kind of equipment that we will be delivering. Look at that. All brand new, all original Deutz filters. None of this Baldwin BS, none of that stuff. All original stuff. It'll look gorgeous, just like this. Look at that. The new cylinders, new bearings, new wearable items there. There's new lug nuts, new brakes, new tires, new wiring harness. Of course, we still got to do the stickers. We still got to do a little bit on this one. We got about 5% left to do. We got a brand new front jack, new chains, new breakaway switch. You see the new wiring harness here with the brand new 7-spade connector, the new lights, LED. This is kind of the product that we will be getting. Probably not the same color because that other one is blue, but it'll be just like this. Thank you.